Yeah, we are in Constanza, and I don't know Sunday today, and some kind of celebration here. And what is interesting? It's not Juliet only, and it's not too many churches here with a cross. Usually, it's no cross on the churches. I don't know why the reason. Okay, well, probably it's a young city and lots of immigrants from Hungary, from Basque region, Spain, and Lebanese Christian also.
Cerca Mercedes. Mercedes Unican Temple, Las Mercedes. Nuestra Señora Las Mercedes.
Para viabilizar y que esos recursos puedan llegar aquí enteritos, completitos.
Correcto. Un equipo todoterreno tenemos ahí. Diga.
Gracias, compañero.
Elki Durán del barrio San Pedro. 5.000 pesos. Elki Durán, 5.000 pesos. Nancy me dice por aquí.
Constanza and Constanza Valley here.
Cuando venga en su gloria y sígueme y la salvación te daré, te cuidaré. ¿Acaso no estoy yo aquí, que soy tu madre? Toma mi mano y hacia mi hijo te llevaré. Hijo mío, lo que te aflige y asusta se encuentra en las manos de Dios. Nada es imposible para nuestro Dios. Hija mía, no temas ninguna angustia, no se turbe tu corazón, no se turbe tu corazón.
Say from here is a best view on the Constanza and all these mountains, hill and everything.
Oh, miren, mi niña, miren, miren. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Vean. Vengan. Dice bien, mía. Gracias.
having for you a restaurant. And Julieta say hi. We are on vacation, and you see, look, people, how is a beautiful view. What is a beautiful view? Yeah. But the restaurant is pretty nice. Look, very nice. We choose table outside to enjoy fresh breeze and these mountains. Yeah, and we have a food finally arrived. Well, this is beef, and it is beef pretty the same. Oh, it's lamb. Sorry, it's lamb. Yeah, I didn't touch it. What? Nice restaurant, nice people, and nice breeze here. Constanza, it's just Constanza. It's just town, but the view around. I mean, really, view around. Simple is amazing. We stopped somewhere on the way to Santiago, and it's nature is beautiful there, and amazingly beautiful.